Well, you may notice this is a slightly different video than I normally do for my hotel reviews. I thought we'd do it in 360. So on YouTube, this is an interactive 360 video. So if you don't like looking at my face, just move the cursor on the screen on a computer or move your phone around to explore the whole room. Now when I say room, that's not entirely accurate because we're actually at the Sofitel, the best hotel, the most luxurious hotel at London Heathrow, and we are staying tonight in the Opera Suite. So I'm going to walk around slowly, point a couple of things out, but of course you have complete control over what you're watching. Now this is our living space. So we have our dining table. We have the first of 5 televisions. There are 5 televisions in here. This isn't a hotel suite. This is an office of Dixon's. We have a little treat as a loyalty card holder. There's always something, little treat to welcome me to the room. So that's sweet, and it is sweet. Looks like some macaroons and a nice bit of cake. Okay, where should we go next? Well, we have the tea and coffee. I'm going to be indulgent on the other video. Now this is the breakfast menu here, okay? And we're going to go full room service tomorrow. Full Monty, the lot. Now that's not going to be on this video, but it will be on the other video, which depending on when you're watching this video, there'll either be a link on the screen now, or it will come soon. So if it's coming soon, if there's not a link here, yep, then what you need to do, I'm not sure I can put links on 360 videos. If there's not a link in the description below, then do subscribe to the channel, do ring the bell, and then YouTube will notify when the new videos go up. Because there'll be a full 4K tour of this suite and a few bits of a wander around the Sofitel. I've also reviewed, it must be about 15 Heathrow hotels now. Now this is our little half bathroom, as they say, or as we say in Blackburn, toilet, loo, spotless, immaculate. So it should be. It's Sofitel. And Esper body lotion and soap. Very lovely. Now you'll also see on my channel a video of the Prestige Suite, which I was lucky enough to stay in last week. And the reason I stayed in the Prestige Suite for 2 nights was 1, because it's lovely, and 2, I stayed at the Sofitel. Quite simply, it's the closest hotel to the actual Terminal 5, and I had 2 7 o'clock flights, so 2 5 AM check-ins straight after each other, and I would have just been absolutely shattered if I'd not been staying at the Sofitel. So as you can see, well, you can see me, well, you can see everything. We're in 360. We've got our reclining chair, same as the living space, telephones, plugs, USB ports. It's a little dated because we can also see our RCA ports, audio and video, and the HDMI. So was that television number 2 or number 3? Well, I'd like to say it's number 2 because here is number 3. So you've got the TV in the bathroom, and that's touchscreen, waterproof. I think it's a pretty nice bathtub. We're going to do a big bubble bath and watch TV in the bath, perhaps. I don't want to give people nightmares. And a separate shower, just for the convenience. This is one of the massage showers, so we'll maybe give that a spurt. GoPro's waterproof. Now, this is my only disappointment. This is a similar layout to the Prestige Suite. However, there's very little lighting around here, and there is very little lighting around here. Standard safe, good hotel safe. It's fairly secure. It's not coming out, you know, but it wouldn't stop ruffles. But there's no light. That needs a wardrobe light. That should have a wardrobe light in it. It's very dark, and it's not the easiest wardrobe. I don't think it's a particularly great design. I love the fact they've given me an iron and ironing board, even in one of their top luxury suites, the Opera Suite. They've also given me umbrellas. Didn't get those in the Prestige Suite, or I didn't notice them. Okay, where should we go next? What's through this door? I'm staying here on my own, which is a shame and a waste, And this is just ridiculous. And I've got 2 bedrooms. And of course, television number 4. So we've the same room repeating itself. Twin beds, they're nestled next to each other. Great for the kids, great for close friends, and great if anyone wants that separate bed for a separate night. And I won't look out the window now. I'm going to do a shot out the window in the morning, because at night you just get reflections and reflections on the camera. So we go back through here, and it has a separate entrance. So I presume what they do is just add this on to make it an opera suite. Yeah, and then this could also be sold as a separate bedroom. How can it be sold as a separate bedroom, you say? Because we have our wardrobe, we have amenities in the wardrobe. What is in here? We have our safe and our fridge, which is well stocked, so that's not a complimentary fridge. Mind you, I can't see any prices. No, Sofitel, everything's on the telly, isn't it? So let's have a quick look in the bathroom. So, how many breakfasts are we going to order? I've got 4 menus. Should I put all 4 out? That would be bonkers, wouldn't it? Right. Okay. Now the bathroom, no surprises, is the same as the other bathroom, but I thought I'd bring you in here just to show you television number 5. And again, the lovely bathtub, robes galore, slippers galore, immaculate state of events. So, all rather good. Right. Okay, now I'm going to film it in normal 4K for the normal video, but I hope you enjoyed the 360. Let me know in the comments below whether you like these 360 videos, because if you do, I will do more of them. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget that good stuff. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks very much. Bye for now.